We are going to learn how to find the slope that passes through 2 points and then write what is known as the point-slope form of the equation of the line, as well as the slope-intercept form equation of the line. So to start with, if you are given 2 points on a line, you first have to know their slope in order to be able to write an equation. And so for the slope, we use the lowercase m for slope. We're going to take the second y value and subtract the first, and we're going to divide that by the second x value minus the first. And so if I just simply label these in order, the first ordered pair is x1, y1, the second ordered pair is x2, y2, then in this particular case, we are going to take the y2 value of 16 and subtract the y1 value of 10. And then on bottom, we'll take the x2 value of 8 and subtract the x1 value of 5. Now we simplify. 16 minus 10 is 6, 8 minus 5 is 3, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, so the second thing they ask is they want us to use the point-slope form of the equation. So when you are putting something into point-slope form, it is going to look like the following. You're going to take y minus your y value, and you're going to say it's equal to your slope, which is m, times x minus your x value. So with this particular form, you're going to plug in 3 different numbers. You'll plug in one of the y values, one of the x's, and you'll make sure they come from the same ordered pair, and then you'll plug in your slope. So let's do that. So y minus, if we want to stick with what we labeled as y1, that was our 10, but it really doesn't matter which point you use to plug in there as long as you use the same or the points from the same ordered pair. Okay, our slope was 2, and then we have x minus my x value, which was 5. So that would be the equation in point-slope form. When they ask us to then write it in slope-intercept form, slope-intercept form is where we have to get the y by itself so that we can have y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to come down here and continue. I'll leave that as y minus 10. And then on the right-hand side, I'm going to distribute that 2. So we would have a 2x minus 10. So we need to get y by itself. That means we will add 10 on both sides to cancel that. And of course, when we did that, it also happened to cancel it there, but that doesn't necessarily always happen, but this would be considered the slope-intercept form. So this is point-slope form, and then that would be slope-intercept form.